Hey guys, let's talk about knowing your rights if ICE comes to your workplace for employees. All people living in the US, including undocumented immigrants, have certain US constitutional rights. If immigration and customs enforcement officers come to your workplace, they must have either a valid search warrant or consent from your employer to enter non-public areas. However, ICE can't enter public areas of your workplace, such as the lobby or reception area, without a warrant or consent from your employer. If you are undocumented and ICE officers arrive at your workplace, remember your options and rights. 1. Stay calm. Do not panic or run away. If an officer stops you, you may ask if you are free to leave. If they say yes, walk away calmly. If they say no, stay where you are and do not attempt to leave. Number 2. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to speak to ICE, answer any questions, or show any documents. If you are asked where you were born, how you entered the United States, or your immigration status, you may refuse to answer or remain silent. If you choose to remain silent, say it out loud. If officers ask you to stand in a group based on your immigration status, you do not have to move. You can also move to an area not designated for a particular group. Be prepared to assert your rights by downloading, printing, and carrying this card, which you can show to the immigration officers. This card states you do not wish to speak, answer any questions, or sign any documents. If you do not understand English, state the language you speak. Number 3. You are not required to show immigration documents. You may refuse to show identity documents that reveal your country of nationality or citizenship. Never show false documents or provide false information. Do not say you were born in the United States if you were not, and do not claim to be a US citizen if you are not one. Number 4. You have the right to contact a lawyer. If you are detained or taken into custody, you have the right to contact a lawyer immediately. Even if you do not have a lawyer, you may tell the immigration officers that you want to speak to one by saying, "I want to speak to a lawyer." If you have a lawyer, you have the right to speak to that lawyer. If you have proof of the relationship, such as a signed Form G-28, give it to the officer. If you do not have a lawyer, ask for a list of pro bono, free, or low bono, low-cost lawyers. Number 5. You do not have to sign anything. Do not sign any paperwork until you speak with a lawyer. If you choose to sign something, make sure you fully understand what it means. Signing documents may waive your rights or lead to deportation. Number 6. If you believe your rights have been violated, write down what happened or ask a witness to do so. Include specific details like names, badge numbers, and exactly what was said or done. Report the violation to a lawyer or an immigrant rights organization. Call us or visit our website for more information.